Good morning, dear students. How are you? I am fine. Now we are going to face our examination. So we studying very well. Okay. Any doubt? Contact me. Then, if didn't complete your notes, then immediately complete your notes and submit to the office. And today we are going to discuss about our comparison of rational numbers. In previous class we are started our new chapter, that is rational numbers. Is it? Yes. That is, in rational numbers what we can discussing. In rational numbers means p by q form. The numbers can be represented in the form of p by q and q not equal to 0. And in rational numbers there are two types of rational numbers: negative rational number and positive rational number. Negative rational number and positive rational number. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, here we can discuss about the standardization of rational numbers. We already discussed that. That is, we take the HCF, highest common factor, and we divide in numerator and denominator. Then we get the standardized rational form. Is it? Yes. That is p by 2. That is, p is called the numerator and 2 is called the denominator. Is it? Yes. Today we are going to discuss about comparison of rational numbers. Comparison of rational numbers. Already we know that the comparison of numbers. That is, when we compare the natural number 2 and 4, 4 is the biggest number and 2 is the smallest number. Is it? So in rational numbers, what we or which way we compare? That is, first method is we take or we going to convert the denominators of two rational numbers in same. That is, if 3 and 4 by 3 is a rational number and 5 by 4 is also a rational number. Is it? As we want to compare these rational numbers, then we convert in same denominators. So for that we take the LCM, least common multiple. That is, LCM of 4 and 3, we get 12. We get 12. So we get 3 into 4. That is 3 into 4, we get 12. When we take a operation in denominator, the same operation we take in numerator. That is 3 into 4 and 4 into 4. That is, we can write it as 4 into 4 by 3 into 4 and 4 into 3 and 5 into 3. That is 5 into 3 by 4 into 3. That is, we get 16 by 12 and here is 15 by 12. Then we can compare these numbers. The comparison is easy. Is it? Yes. And we can compare two positive rational numbers. Here we take the positive rational numbers. There also we can compare the negative rational numbers. And next we are going to discuss about which one is better. In the case of this one, which is better? That is 12 by 16 by 12 and 15 by 12, which is better. That is, when we take this one, when we or divide or we convert to decimal form, what we get? Here we get 4 by 3 means 1 point something. Here also we get 3 by 4 is, that is 1, 3, here is 1 and we get, what we get? We get 0.3 1.3 is 1.3333 etc. Here also 5 by 4 and 1 4 and 1 and here is we get what 2 8 that is 1.2 something and which is there that is this one is biggest. When we compare 16 by 12 and 15 by 12 then this is biggest number. This rational number is biggest. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt? When we compare the negative rational number and the positive rational number, then there must the positive rational number is big. When we comparing negative rational number and the positive rational number, then the positive rational number must big. So that is, for example, do 4 by negative 9 and negative 16 by 36. That is, first is 4 by negative 9 and next is what is negative 16 by 36. Do 4 by negative 9 and negative 16 by 36 represent the same rational number. Represent the same rational number. Is it? Yes, because when we take the 4 by negative 9, we can write it as 4 into 4 divided by negative 9 into 4. We get 16 by 36, negative 36. Because here is negative 9 into 4, we get negative 36. That is, we can write it as negative 16 by 36. Negative 16 by 36. Is it? Yes. Is it clear? Yes. And next is we are going to discuss about rational numbers between two rational numbers. Rational numbers between two rational numbers. Rational numbers between two rational numbers, that is what is we want to find two rational numbers or five rational numbers or many rational numbers between two, because which way, that is negative 3 by 5 and we want to took two rational numbers negative 3 by 5 and negative 1 by 3. Negative 3 by 5 and negative 1 by 3. Negative 3 by 5 and negative 1 by 3. Is it? Yes. C. Converted them to rational numbers with same denominators. S. That is, for that we want to take two rational numbers between negative 3 by 5 and negative 1 by 3. So we convert the rational numbers in same denominators. So LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So negative 3 into 3 by 5 into 3 and negative 1 into 5 by 3 into 5. Then what we get? We get negative 9 by 15 and negative 5 by 50. That is, in between these two rational numbers is negative 8 by 50. We can take negative 8 by 50. Negative 7 by 50, negative 6 by 50, negative 4 by is there are three rational numbers. We want only two rational numbers. As you like, you can take any two rational numbers. As you like, you can take any two rational numbers. Is it? Yes. And next is for your write is in your page number 181. The write is find five rational numbers between negative 5 by 7 and negative 3 by 8. Negative 5 by 7 and negative 3 by 8. Negative 5 by 7 and negative 3 by 8. First we consider an LCM. LCM of 7 and 8 we get 56. So 7 into 8 upon negative 5 into 8, and here is 8 into 7 upon negative 3 into 7. We get the numbers as which numbers? Negative 40 by 56 and negative 21 by 56. That is, we can write it as negative 39 by 56, negative 38 by 56, and negative 37 by 56, negative 36 by 56, etc. That is the solution for that. We can find many numbers. That is, we get the numbers. That is, here is 100. Next is, for generally, what we can say? We can say that we can find unlimited numbers of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Between any two rational numbers. That is, we get the rational numbers unlimited. That is, here is, for example, we get the numbers, that is negative 39 by 56, negative 38 by 56, and negative 37 by 56. Also, we can write it as negative 36 by 56, etc. to up to negative 21 by 56. That is, negative 22 by 56 is included. And next is list three rational numbers between -2 and -1. -2 and -1. List three rational numbers. Which way we find? That is, -1 and -2. We want to list three rational numbers. That is, here -1 means negative 5 by 5. Negative 5 by 5. Is it? Yes. And next is what we get? Negative 10 by 5 equal to negative 2. Negative 1 equal to negative 5. So we can write it as negative 6 by 5, negative 7 by 5, negative 8 by 5. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. And next is, for another example, we can write the four numbers, write four more numbers in the following pattern. That is, negative 1 by 3, negative 1 by 3, negative 1 by 3, and next is what is negative 2 by 6, and negative 3 by 3 by 9, and negative 4 by 12, and what is next? Negative 5 by 15. Is it? Yes, and next is what is next? We can what is the next part in negative 6 by 18, negative 21 by 7 is that is here is negative 1 by 3 and next we multiply negative 2 into 2 and negative we multiply 3 into 3 that is numerator and denominator we multiply 3 and next we multiply 4 and next 5 and next 6 and next 7 and next 8 that is here is negative 7 by negative 21 and negative 8 by 24 and here is 4 more parties. Is it? Yes. And next one is we are going to discuss about our exercise 9.1. Our exercise 9.1 we are going to discuss about our exercise 9.1 page number 182. 182. Number 82. That is first is negative 1 and 0. First question is exercise page number that is first question list 5 rational numbers between negative 1 and 0. Negative 1 and 0. We want to list 5 rational numbers. That is, which way we find the rational numbers? Which one? Which one? Which way we find? That is, first is 0, 1. Is it? Yes. Negative 1 and 0 we want to find. That is, we want to find 5 rational numbers. So, negative 10 by 10 and 0 by 10. We take denominator as 0, then we can write it as negative 10 by 10 and 0 by 10. So we can write it as negative 9 by 10, negative 8 by 10, negative 7 by 10, negative is it negative 8 by 10 and negative 6 by 10, negative 5 by 10 and negative 4 by 10. Is it? We can list 5 or more numbers. That is, we take the denominator as 10, then we get the answer. And second one question is, second part is second is negative 2 and negative 1. Here also we can take denominator as 10 or 5 or 15 or etc. That is, here we get negative 20 by 10 and negative 10 by 10. So we can write it as negative 19 by 10, negative 18 by 10, negative 17 by 10, negative 16 by 10 and negative 15 by 10. Is it? Yes, negative 14 by 10. That is, for following like this, you can list 5 or more. And next is negative 4 by 5 and negative 2 by 2. If you can take the denominator as 50, then you get negative 30 by 50. As you like, you can take the denominators. There is no condition. When take as denominator, then we multiply the denominator and numerator. That is, here is negative 4 by 5 and negative 4 by 5 and negative 4 by 5 and negative 2 by 3. Here we take the LCM of denominator, or we convert the denominator to 15. We get 15 upon negative 2, and here is negative 10 by 50. So here is we only get two numbers. Here we want 5 rational numbers, isn't it? Yes. So we take the total, that is we multiply total, then we get negative 48 by 60 and negative 24 by 36. Is it? Yes. When we multiply by total, we get like this. That is, here we get negative 47 by total by 36. Here is no. Sorry. Here is we multiplied by. Here is no. Same denominator here 60, and here is we take negative 40 by 60. That is we multiply 20 in numerator and denominator, that is we get negative 48 and by 60 and negative 40 by 60, that is negative 47 by 60 and negative 46 by 60 and negative 45 by 60 and negative 44 by 60. Following like this, we can list 5 or more numbers. There is no limitation. And next is for your homework, and fourth one is for your homework, and second question is write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. That is, here is negative 3 by 5, negative 6 by 10, negative 3 by 5, negative 6 by 10, negative 9 by 50, negative 12 by 20, negative 15 by 25. Is it? Yes. And next we are writing as negative 8 by 30 and negative 21 by 35, negative 24 by 40. These are the patterns. And second one is, what is the second pattern? Second pattern is negative 1 by 4, negative 1 by 4 and negative 2 by 8 and negative 3 by 12. And what is next? Next is, what is next? We get negative 4 by 16, negative 5 by 20 and negative 6 by 24 and negative 7 by 28, negative 8 by 32. Is it? Yes. And next pattern is negative 1 by 6, two by negative 12 and 3 by negative 18, 4 by negative 24. Following like this, we can write it as 5 by negative 30, 6 by negative 36, 7 by negative 42, 8 by negative 48. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. And next is, what is next? Next is for your homework. The fourth question is for your homework. And third question is, we want to give 4 equal rational numbers to given rational numbers. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to, give 4 rational numbers equivalent to, that is negative 2 by 7. That is negative 2 by 7. We can give the 4 equal rational numbers as, when we multiply it on 2, we get negative 14 by 4, and by 3 negative 6 by 21, and next one is by 4 we get what we get, negative 8 by 28, and otherwise we multiply by 5, negative 10 by 35. These are the numbers. These are the numbers for equal rational numbers. And next one is 5 by negative 3. 5 by negative 3. 5 by negative 3. That is we get 10 by negative 6 and 20 by negative 12. And as you like, you can multiply the same number in numerator and denominator, then you get the equivalent rational numbers. That is, here we get as next we take 3, 15 by negative 9, we take 10, that is 50 by negative 30, 100 by negative 60. These are equal rational numbers in this. These are equivalent. And next is for your homework. Third one is for your homework. And fourth question is draw the number line and the representation of following the rational number on it. Following the rational numbers on it. That is first 3 by 4. First is 3 by 4. That is, this is a number line, here is 0. We divide 4 equal parts as 1 is it? As that is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. We get 3 by 4. This point is 3 by 4. Is it? Yes. That is 0 by 4 is 0 and 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 4 by 4 means 1. 4 by 4 equal to 1. So this is the point. Is it? Yes. That is 3 by 4. Is it? Yes. That is. Next is negative 5 by 8. Negative 5 by 8. That is, here is 0. We know that the positive numbers are right side on number line and negative numbers are left side on number line. So here is, we take negative 1. We divide 8 pieces. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is negative 1 by 8, negative 2 by 8, negative 3 by 8, negative 4 by 8. This is negative 5 by 8. This is negative 5 by 8. That is after 4 lines. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next is, these are the equidistance points. In number line, the numbers are equidistant. Remember that when you draw the number line or this line, you must use the scale and pencil. Don't draw with the pen. Okay. And next is we want to find negative 7 by 4. Negative 7 by 4. Negative 7 by 4 means which we get negative 7 by 4. We can write it as 1 minus 3 by 4. Is it? That is, we can write it as 7 by 4 equal to which way we find negative 7 by 4. That is, we can write it as negative 4 minus negative 3 whole divided by 4. That is, we can write it as negative 4 by 4 minus 3 by 4. That is negative 1 minus 3 by 4. Negative 1 minus 3 by 4. That is, we draw the number line and here is 0, here is negative 1. We divide the negative 2 in 4 equal parts, then we get the number. That is, this is negative 2, that is negative 7 by 4. This is negative 7 by 4, this point. That is, we take the subtraction, that is negative 7 means negative, here is the improper fraction. And previous questions, there are all same proper fraction, that is numerator is small and denominator is big. Here, in the case of here, we get the which one we get, here is numerator is big and denominator is small. And the next question is, and at last the fourth question is for your grammar, and fifth question is, what is fifth question? Fifth question is the points PQ, RS, TU, A and B on the number line are such that TR equal to RS, RS equal to SU and AP equal to PQ, PQ equal to QB. Name the rational numbers represented by PQRS. Name the rational numbers represented by PQRS. That is, which way we find? That is, what is in fifth question? What is the answer? The rational number P is represented by what? 2 and 1 by 3. That is for representation of your rational number line. And first P is what? P is 2 and 1 by 3. 2 and 1 by 3, that is 7 by 3. That is 2 and 1 by 3, that is 7 by 3. And Q is, what is Q? Q is 2 and 2 by 3. Q equal to 2 and 2 by 3. Then get 8 by 3. 8 by 3. The answer is 8 by 3. Is it? Yes. And next is what is R? R equal to what we get? Negative 1 and 1 by 3. Is it? Negative 1 and 1 by 3. That is negative, what we get? Negative 1 and negative 1 and 1 by 3. Then we get negative 4 by 3. Is it? Yes. That is the rational number. The rational number represented by R is negative 1 and 1 by 3 is we get what we get? That is negative 1 into 3 plus 1 whole divided by 3. That is the negative is side. So we represent as like this. That is 1 into 3 we get 3 plus 1 4 by 3. So the number line representation sign is representing by negative 4 by 3. And the number S equal to negative 1 and 2 by 3. We get negative 5 by 3. Negative 5 by 3. Negative 5 by 3. That is the rational number is represented by P is 7 by 3, 2 is 8 by 3, and R is negative 4 by 3, and S is negative 5 by 3. And sixth question is, what is our sixth question? Which of the following pairs represent the same rational numbers? Which of the following is same rational numbers? We want to check that. That is negative 7 by 21 and 3 by 9. We convert it in standard form, then we get negative 1 by 3. Here is 1 by 3. If this is pair, that is negative 7 by is a negative rational number and 3 by 9 is a positive rational number. So the given pair does not represent the same rational number. That is, here first we didn't convert to standard form. First we see this is a rational number, negative rational number, this is a positive rational number. Then there is a no same rational number. Then there is no relation. We clear that. And next is we want to what is we can discuss that. We discussing that next question is negative 60 and negative 60 by 20 and 20 by negative 25. That is negative 4 by 5 here. Here is 4 by negative 5. These are same pairs. These are same pairs. So the given pair represents the same rational number. These are same rational number. Negative 4 by 5 and also equal to 4 by negative 5. That is only negative sign we didn't consider. And next one pair is negative 2 by 3, negative 2 by negative 3 and 2 by 3. These are same rational numbers because we get negative 2 into negative 1 and negative 3 into negative 1, we get 2 by 3. These are the same rational numbers. And next one is, fourth one is negative 3 by 5 and negative 12 by 20. Negative 3 by 5 and negative 12 by 20. That is negative 3 by 5 and here is we can when we standard form these are same. These are same rational numbers. These are same rational numbers. And fourth one is same rational numbers. And fifth one is what is fifth one? 8 by negative 5 and negative 24 by 50. 8 by negative 5 and 8 by negative 5 and negative 24 by 50. That is 8 by negative 5 here, and with this that is we get negative 8 by 5 by 3. Then these are same rational numbers. These are same rational numbers, and 6th and 7th are for your homework. So I conclude my class. I wish you a good day.